Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to create a Spaceship account. So if you want to create an account, go to Google, search for Spaceship, click on this icon, login icon. You will see this page. From this page, you have to click on sign up. When you click on sign up, write your first name, your last name, your email address, your username. For example, this is my username. After write your username, as you can see here, write your password email. In this case, I want to create with your account here. If you want to use a nameship, just click your nameship account. When you click nameship, complete your creation process with nameship here, and then click on sign in. So basically, this is how you can do. You can use email account, login passkey. You can sign up with your email account and then complete your process here. This is how you can do basically. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video. If you want to use Nameship, click on Nameship here. Click on sign in and then you will create your account successfully with Nameship without any problem. Just receive your codes from here and then click submit to create your accounts. Thanks again for watching this.